Hi, today we are going to see how to carve a swan or bird using tomato. We are going to use two different types of methods. So, I have taken a tomato. So, for the first method, I have taken a celery stick and I have attached a toothpick at the bottom, and also I have attached another toothpick and made a small triangle shaped cutting out of tomato and attached to the celery stick. So this is going to be its neck and its head and the beak. So now for the wings and the back wings, we are going to make some leaf shaped cutting like concentric cuttings. So you can see I have made the leaf shaped cutting, so one over another, and push it slightly backward like this so that it will form the wing texture. So you can see this part is ready. Now for the side wings, I am going to cut on the side similarly like a leaf shape, but I am going to leave some gap so that the wing doesn't come fully. So make this leaf shape cutting and leave some gap so that it will be attached to the body. Now attach the neck and the head portion, and you can see the swan or the bird is now ready. Now for the second method, I am going to use only the tomato for making its body and its neck, its beak and everything. So I have taken a tomato and cut it into 3 parts. So the center part will be like that, and going to repeat the same process of cutting the leaf shape cuttings so to form its back wings. And in the center piece of the tomato which we have cut, I am going to remove the center seed part so that I will get this type of shape for its neck and its beak and its face. So from the remaining tomato piece, I am going to cut the leaf shape cutting. I am going to make 2 cuts and attach it to the side of the swan. You can add small mustard or peppercorns for its eyes, and the swan or bird using tomato is ready.